Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Today we'll be taking a look at the Kicker Amphitheater model number K5BT. This is a Bluetooth speaker that packs one heck of a punch. So inside this little speaker we have two 5-inch subwoofers accompanied by two 3/4 inch tweeters, which really produces the highs real well. And this is a Bluetooth or aux cable model. It also comes with the stationary iPod/iPhone dock, which you cannot remove, which is kind of a big bummer because it juts out to the front there. You got simple controls on the top. You got your source, mute button, volume up, volume down. It's made of very durable plastic that actually feels like wood. This isn't the lightest machine by any means. I don't know exact weight, but you might want to use two hands for it. My overall impressions with this speaker here is, it's really the best Bluetooth speaker you can buy right now. Being the fact that this has been discontinued, that is why the price is so low. You can actually find it for under $100 on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you're interested in checking it out yourself. Let's flip it over to the back here to show you all the ports and the 6-inch reflex subwoofer. Alright, so there's the reflex subwoofer. We'll do a bass test in a second. You just got your basic power on, power off, reset button, DC, and your aux cable. And what is that? USB charging. That's right, you can charge your device when this is on. The power brick, though, is quite bulky, almost like a laptop power brick, and that's needed because this thing produces 50 watts of power. 50 watts of power, guys. Okay. Got this a couple years ago for around $85. Just love it. I absolutely love it. The bass makes it feel like there's a subwoofer in your room. It's really something you gotta experience for yourself. So let me put this camera down for a second, and I'm gonna connect my tablet to the aux cable. Give me 1 second. Okay, guys. If you can still hear me, turn this on. Okay. So now that it's on, I'm going to go ahead and play a quick little track here. Alright, guys. Here we go. So we're going to play a little song I made here. Because I can't play actually real songs on here on YouTube. Major copyright issues. So I'm going to play a song here and show you how it sounds. Whoops, that is Bon Jovi. So there we have it, guys. That is the Kicker Amphitheater Model K5PT. If you want to know anything about this speaker, feel free to comment down below. Or if you guys want to see anything in particular, like a bass test, just let me know. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you later.